Share screen. Yeah, let's. Hey. So let's just do. Oh, okay. So we will be coding an app. Okay. So what are we working on today? Yeah, I'm just testing the equipment. Yeah, we will see how it goes. So yesterday I've been actually working on the lovely part, which was email confirmation. So now, what happens when someone signs up? When you sign up, okay, this is cool. So I've got this email, which is my other test email. So I've actually managed to get, like, when you sign up as a company, then you get like confirmation email. Please change your password after. So yeah, this is pretty nice, pretty neat. Product planner. We'll just change that as well. But yeah, so now when as a user, if you sign up, now as a user, when you sign up, you get confirmation email, and now the next step will be back to Stripe and get those payments, those lovely payments running. Oops. This is too far. Okay. And yeah, so now I will get payments running, and yeah. So I just keep on checking like the other screen where my I'm a new to streaming. Okay. I'm very new to streaming, so let's see how it goes. Let's play with it and feel more comfortable about it. There are guys that get like hundreds of views every day while live coding, so I'm hoping I will become this cool streamer. No, my neighbors are going for like a Christmas run with dogs. Really cool. I have a cool neighbors. Backend. So yeah, let's just play with it how it actually works currently. So when as a user, it's all deployed to render, obviously. So as a user, I've created a new account here, and okay, let's just go step by step. So I can sign up now. Let's have an Acme Inc. Do username match a d email. So yeah, let's just have my main email. Actually, this one, and this is like a password that I do for testing. And yeah, let's just create account. Now I can pay or sign up for free. Okay, let's just try signing up for free. I never did that. Subscribe. It shouldn't say pay and subscribe. It just should say just subscribe. Okay, just subscribe now. Now I got redirected. So my match ID, and then I should actually Gmail. I should get email here confirming that I actually signed up. Maybe it's in spam. No. Not here. Because yesterday on the other email account, I've actually got this. So it should actually work as well. Link to your account. So like in a way, like it seems to be working. And here when I received that details, so let's Oh, okay. So it was MACD1. That was the one. Email, your login details. Or is it like an email? Okay, so it's an email thing. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so so my email address here. Yeah, this one, it's funny. Like, okay, it's interesting because like on the other email, which is Gmail as well, I got the confirmation, and here I'm not getting one. So there is something funny going on here. Maybe because this account is already in use. Maybe, but then it should actually tell that to us that that your account is not really working, and okay, I can change my password here. Okay, login. Yeah, okay. I will have to do some more testing here. Let's see. Actually, I've got my user management here. I Okay. I can probably go to render, and this is something I will do on another screen just to make sure that you don't see it and that I'm not sharing things that are very important. And here in backend, so why can it be broken? Um, yeah, I will have to do some testing on different accounts. So basically, like currently, I'm just using 2 accounts. I will have to create different accounts on different domains and do some proper testing there. But for now, actually, let's go back to my app and run the backend, which is Python managed by run server frontend web pm dev. So I basically have the same thing as just in the other screen. Yeah, top fans, top chats, live chat, all messages. So what's this? Okay. So this is a screen share. This is me building stuff. This is my uh, this is my how do we call it? Maybe I should like play also, some podcast music. podcast music background. Yeah. Yeah, and some of my kids. Okay. Yeah, Jesus. Come on now. Oh, okay. So it's send test mail. I wonder why. So yesterday I had chat about why it's not working. Get email. Gmail. Yeah, okay. My guess is that the email confirmation. Oh, I exceeded. I'll just use other one to receive. To continue using premium modules. Enable ad. No, I don't care. It could be cheaper one. I don't need to use premium. I could use the mini. The thing is, like, I don't really see much difference between them now anymore. Yeah, okay, let's just, like, for example, yesterday, this one, GPT 4.1, fixed my problem. So uh, the main email address is already registered. If the main was already used for a previous sign up, the system will not create a new user and send new welcome email for the address. Instead, it might just link the subscription to the existing user. Huh. Is this a problem or not? Am I okay if it's going to link my subscription to existing user? Folder email sending logic. The backend only sends the welcome email when the new user is created. If the user are okay, yeah. So we don't really get another email. So I think it's fine. We can work with that. I will actually. So I don't need to do that, do I? Is this like streaming actually a good idea? It feels silly. It feels super silly. What if I actually open like another? Yeah, okay. Yeah, I think like it's kind of working the way I want it. If there is account, then don't create a new one. Uh, so SMTP seems to be working. If I use another account, which I actually should maybe, let's just use another one. I actually have one that is redirected here, but it's actually the same Planero Office as Planero here. Should I use my wife's? It's not here. Okay. Let's just use my wife's product planner one, and let's sign up with my wife's account. Maciej 1 username. No, not my wife. Selska. Yeah, let's create account. Let's pretend that I'm paying this time. This stuff doesn't matter. Yeah, start a trial. And now on my wife's account, no, oh, no, not incognito. Yeah, let's see my wife. Yeah, we have that actually. So this is a username, and this is temporary password. Sign up, sign in. Okay, so we get like in a quick tour, which is nice. I will actually have to fill it up with stuff. Let's just change the the user settings. Ooh, let's invite another one then. First name, profile details. Okay, no. Here's the password. Save changes. Change password. Oh yeah. password. Change current password. Yeah, so let's just change the password. Let's see. Change successfully. Okay. So now we have this is as a username. So why do we actually set up usernames if this doesn't matter? Yeah, probably something I have to skip. So I have my process where I'm using usernames, but like it seems like when I sign up, my username is email. Okay. So let's just like fill up this page, and I think I'm actually like currently I'm really happy with what we have here. Oh yeah, good. Okay, collapse sidebar. I think I'm quite happy with the way this looks. I need to. I will fill this one up when the table is empty. Yeah, let's just do. Product. And record upload text with data or add new item. Yeah, I think that's something that is gonna be useful. Actually, I shouldn't really work on main account. Discard that. Create new branch. And fixes. This is not how you do it in corporation, but like let's have it that way. So yeah, I'm gonna be just doing some fixes here. And getting used to talking to a camera while I'm working, which is the hardest thing I had so far. This is actually harder than just talking to the camera when I'm like and just commenting on stuff, because it's actually like something that I'm not used to. Yeah, let's just open localhost. Let's just I think it's this one. Maybe this one. Maybe this one. Yes. Okay, I've got some account here with some data, which is good. Some fake data. Okay. In delivery. Why there are no statuses here? Is this like empty or? Oh, okay. So probably this in delivery is status is not on Kanban. In delivery. Okay, so maybe this is not in transit. Okay. Now it's gonna show here. Yeah, we changed some status names and stuff. Yeah, I think the thinking mode it takes a bit because I've run out of requests. Continue to reiterate. Configure max request. Oh, that's fine. Yeah, let's just, okay, product table. Yeah, okay, so if there is nothing here, should I, okay, let's just clean this one. Delete selected. Yeah, okay. Although I don't really like add product. Yeah, let's not have this actually. Let's just have up. Like board around. Just give it padding also instead instead of Excel action, let's just have a upload button on its own with that action uploading Excel. Yeah, okay, so we're gonna have this page here looking a bit better, I hope. No products found. You can upload Excel file upload or add new products manually. Stripe payments. Did it just introduce some errors here? Yeah, thank you for errors, my friend. Is it broken now or what? Yeah, okay, so like it gave me some use state is not defined. Oh, okay, product table. Use state. Where do we have use state? Products table. Excel action. Yeah, can't find it. Yeah, well, cannot find name. This file is a big file. Use ref, use state. Okay, this is necessary. Use state, it's here. Why don't you products table? So 53 here. But I do have use state in this file. I can see it here. Oh, it's actually removing that. Yeah, why are you removing this, you idiot? Yeah, okay, it's just silly. I'm missing. Yeah, okay. But I don't like this. Actually, this is silly. This is the worst code I can think of. That's fine. Use effect. Let's just add all missing function declaration. All the missing imports. Yeah, okay. I think that will do. Let's remove this. Nah. Yeah, let's just go. Now these are up here. Wow. Live coding is hard. You basically have to get embarrassed by what AI has produced. This file is a nightmare now. I can actually ask AI to refactor it, obviously, because all of this should be an object, probably, like interface, and instead of just like use states. But yeah, okay. I don't know. Like the thing is, like it's kind of working. I don't want to touch it. And it's actually, I think it's quite safe and secure. Like it's not really bad in terms of like technologically, it's fine. It's just bad code. It's just not very pretty, not very attractive way of writing the code. But like I don't mind that actually. I've been working on like uglier code written by humans, and yeah, obviously this is uh, not very nice. Yeah, let's just upload and see if it works. Planero, Pro, PowerPoint, products, export. Yeah, let's try this one. Uploading file. No, why it's not saying progress? It should actually give me progress feedback on progress. Okay, let's see. Okay, Excel action menu is not defined. Network. Shit. I wonder if it's doing stuff. Okay, yeah, it's doing stuff. But like, I used to have this functionality. Oh shit! It messed up my code. No, let's just undo that. It broke my stuff. I don't like you. Yeah, let's just not this. Upload Excel. It doesn't understand me actually. The thing is like maybe I just products export. Yeah, let's just export. And now we have this, which is really cool. So it gives me the progress update. So yeah, let's try again with the message. So it should actually basically give me the message that. Yeah, okay. So like I think AI misunderstood me. It thought that I just want to remove this upload Excel, but I want to keep it. Let's try refactor this thing. I really think it's ugly actually. This container, this component is quite ugly. Uh, I wonder like if uh, should I really remember guard your privacy. Uh, okay, import complete. 216 done. So we should have 216 products here, which is nice. I like this functionality. So it actually filled out all my data here and here. But now it's kind of some of the things. Oh, okay, there's some bug here. Why it's there's something wrong with this product here. Console. Whoa. So there's some problem with refs. Okay, let's just like. I'm kind of afraid to do it through this AI. Manage products. Okay. Okay, now it's correct. Okay, what about suppliers? Here it's broken. Manage products. No, it doesn't seem to be finding. What about if I have one here? Yeah, this one seems to be working. So there's something broken with this first guy. Let's delete this guy. Yeah, I think this was. Yeah, there's some things with my database broken. I mean, it's not with database. It's like that some data is badly assigned in old file. But yeah, I think we are doing quite well here. In transit delivered. Delivered, yes. Reports. Ah. Oh, okay. What's the name? Okay, so when we have product table, I wonder. Okay. Select item, select content. What's the name of this component? Because like one of the bugs I had so far, like currently, is doesn't give me minimal width for this component. So this input should have minimal width. Table cell, editable cell. Okay, so editable cell should, like when it's in input, let's just like input style. How do I do min width? Oh, but probably min, yeah, min width. I wonder what's 32 actually. Let's see. So now this should have some minimal width. Okay. No. Min width 32 px. I wonder what this gonna do. No, nothing. Okay. What's the? Okay, so 32 seems to be very little. Let's just try to do it with style, because I don't know why my tailwind doesn't seem to be picked up. Style min width 40 pixels. 40. I think this will do. So when we have a okay, now it's at least this. I feel like I should go for 56. Yeah. Okay. So at least this is the minimal width now. Yeah, I should go for 80. Actually, let's go for 80. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, at least this is this is minimal. If you now let's just have 100. Yeah. Okay. So at least we always have 100 pixels width here. Okay. Again, let's just redo in product table. Let's redo empty prod. There no items. Give me a box button or Excel button with action as Apple Excel in either upload Excel. Yeah, okay, let's just try that. Actually, let's just save this. Yeah, quick. Yeah, before you throw out anything. So yeah, AI. I'm quicker than AI. Definitely, writing with AI is actually an interesting experience. Like I really have to watch it for it to not to mess up my things. But on the other hand, it's like really like I was able to write a lot of functionality with this within this application. I think like my goal is still to finish it by the end of the month, but like it's important for me. Like thanks to AI, I managed to cram a bit more functionality, and I think it's actually a bit more complete now. Thanks for that. Although there is a downside, I understand my application much less. So this is actually something not very not very good. I will have to actually do quite a lot of AI of checking, like, okay, is this actually safe? Because I'm actually not that confident about safety of this application now. Yeah, okay. Maybe I shouldn't really put the stream out. Yeah, okay. Delete, select, delete. 12. Oh, is there a bug? Oh, okay. Let's just try to fix that. It's not defined. Upload. Okay, so probably if I delete it. The Ukrainian. My wife is Ukrainian. I have deleted all items in products table, and I'm getting this error. Yeah, I can like the thing is like with this error, I can probably track it where it's actually from. So like it's 694 products table. This is good actually with modern development. 694. Oh, is there such a file? Control G. 694. 684. Was it? 694 is here. Then, okay, let's just try this and see if it's going to gel. Nope. 694. 694. Okay, so this is what's causing the problem. Fetch products. I don't know. Why is it cannot find name? Why? Add import from. Okay, maybe. Is this like. Is that it? Yeah, it's all. Okay, did I delete my. Yeah, I deleted 25 items. Let's just have 100 here. Good. Delete. Let's see if it deletes them. Oops. Okay. Deleted all 100 items. So it deleted 100 items. No, it's not all of them. So I still have 91 remaining. I think this when I select to show 100, it should remember that choice. Okay, let's just delete all of them. Let's see what happens. Yeah, okay. That's fine. Add new product, upload Excel. Product export. Yeah. Oh, why it's... Ooh, warning. But like, okay, now again, my product export doesn't give me updates. I don't like that shit. Like, it was working. Discard. Okay, let's just undo all of that. Yeah, uploading file. Upload. Oh, no, not this one. Upload Excel. Products export. Yeah, okay. I might need to actually build it myself. Jesus, I will have to do something without AI, which is a new thing in last 6 months for me, because I was all like, within the last 6 months, like I look into the code less and less. So I don't know if it's good. You know, I used to be proud of my coding knowledge, although like I'm quite proud of how this application is growing. So I don't know like whether I should stick to writing code myself, get back to writing code myself. Maybe when I'm doing my other application, which is product like like the one about sewing pattern market, then I should probably go back to writing my code myself. Okay, this is pretty cool. This is good. We've got some reports here. Got some Kanban board. This is delivered. Yeah, okay. 0 products, manage products. Let's just select one. Those. Yeah, okay. So this is it. So that now the next step will be I can actually sell it. Oh, so the next thing will be getting back to deleting. Sorry, not to. Oh, actually, yes. To undo. I want. Oh, okay. So probably the other one. The same. Down when the new button I upload doesn't me doesn't how many was processed. So we have lost some import instead of similar button. Try to from select select has the same functionality. Yeah, let's try that doing that. This is basically. Oh, good morning, SaaS. How are you doing today? Oh, thanks for coming. I'm actually uh yeah, it's good. I'm AI coding today. Are you like yeah, I have someone on my chat. So this is my first chat, my first video chat. But what I want to do is like I'm building my SaaS. I don't know if you're aware. So basically, it's called Planero, and it allows you to manage your deliveries. And uh, it's almost there. Like it's a week away from being out, and have all the payments sorted. I sorted out yesterday. I sorted out the email confirmation. So when you pay, like when you pay for, oh, this is AI, but it will fix it hopefully in a second. Uh, when you pay for, okay, I cannot find name. Does it have somewhere? So it didn't create that function. I'm using cheap AI to work with it. So like it's maybe I should get back to writing code myself sometimes. But yeah, so yeah, I'm writing this app which I just broke, uh, and it's actually like it's interesting because I progressed a lot. Although like the code that I'm actually shipping is not really my favorite, so I get like really big files of stuff where I don't really know exactly what's going on. Like, so there's some function. I'm not sure where it's actually. Maybe it's not exported from the other file or something. Why is okay? Yeah, I think like I've just this GPT 4.1 because I just run out of credit. This GPT 4.1 seems to be kind of crappy. Let's try another one. Oh, can you fix yeah, I think like it didn't close some bracket or something because there's just too much error going on. I think what's wrong here. Yeah, yeah, okay, that's amazing. Are you going to make available worldwide? Yes, I hope so. Like currently I have like a domain name, which is Planero EU. I just like with the name, I'm still sort of struggling to really decide if I like it. But I kind of bought this domain, which works. I promise you, it works. But that doesn't work now. It seems to be HTTPS is working there. So there is a domain that I bought, and I'm gonna plug it uh, in there uh, with like a website for selling it, for like sales website for my SaaS. But currently, it's really hard to yeah, I think I will make it available on worldwide. To answer your question, sorry for running like um, yeah yeah. So I will actually make it available worldwide. Uh, but I have to. The thing is like it's already working, but okay. I kind of wonder like why do I need this? Why did AI actually created this thing, which is update product, and it's actually just console log. Jesus, I really have to look into my code. Oh, hi there. Wow, another guy. Hey man, I'm a software tester and I would like to participate in the testing process. Are you okay with that to join? Yeah, I mean, sounds good. Like, I don't really expect that, uh, to get a tester, but yeah, I can actually show you how to test my application if you want. Like, I like freebies, so it's great. Like, uh, great to see that you want to do it. I'm not. I don't know. Like, I mean, is this something that you want to be paid for, or is this something that you just want to do for fun, for like portfolio and stuff? Because the thing is, like, I do have some budget, but not that much. So yeah, I don't think I will be able to pay you much. Look what it's doing. Actually, it's doing something silly. Like, it just like added one line and removed 500 lines. I can't understand. So main people who are going to use it are restaurant chains and brands. No, this is actually for like the idea mainly was to this is actually something for the guy who I'm working with, Rafael, who has like this delivery service, but it's not for restaurants. It's actually he's like in the middle, like in the middle of the process. So he's ordering things from some companies. I don't know what this AI is doing. Okay, I think I will just stop it because it's just going crazy. So yeah, this is for the middleman, you know. So like you are in the middle, you have someone delivering you things. I mean, it could be done. It could be used by restaurants. I don't really like. The thing is, like, this is actually like currently you have some naming that is assuming that you are actually like supplier, like like within the supply chain, but this could be used by restaurants, I guess. Where is it? Let me just log in and I will show you. Yeah, okay, you can, you can steal it, don't worry. Don't know why. Probably the password, that's not the one I want to use. Yeah, it's really cool actually, like to see people, actual people. I hope you are not bots or something. Are you bots? No. Yeah. So basically, like this is the guy that I'm working with. He's like a middleman, you know. So he's ordering something from some company that is providing things. I don't have that interest in money. Oh, good. I kind of like money. I'm more into experience. Even if the budget is not, it's too low, not a problem for me. That's good. Okay, I can give you stuff. You can break my application and tell me what you think. There's I think like it's pretty good in terms of like there's not too many bugs, but I think you will find some. And the thing is, like, like the more I'm working as a software developer, like some of the things that some people see as a bugs, I see as a, yeah, there's this joke, it's a bug or feature. It's like, unless there's error, like obvious error that is broken, sometimes it's like some things are actually people's preference, so like, is this a bug that this button is here, or like when you click on it, it has some action, is this bug? I don't know. I mean, for me it's fine. uh yeah, but okay, but I'm digressing. Yeah, when it comes to testing, it's great to actually, yeah, it's great to have a freebies. So I can give you logins. You can try to break it if you have some ideas how it's, how it to improve it. Then I will be fine. I'll be happy to actually implement that. And maybe, if you do good job, I will pay you or just give you some stuff if I make money. So, but I think like the thing is, like, it's actually, I can see this application making money, to be honest. This is actually something like, I know there are other, like, there are big companies that actually provide those CRM software, but there's quite a lot of people, like small companies, like, up to 5 or 10 people, that don't want to actually learn how to use this Microsoft 360 or something, or like, my friend, he, like, the guy who I'm working with, he was trying like multiple apps. So he was trying like Asana, so for updating uh like delivery status. Yeah, I understand the confusion, especially when there isn't the detailed documentation. Yeah, I believe in that too. It's a great initiative that you're taking here. Oh, thanks you. Thanks. What's your name, by the way? I can see Ahmed, so it sounds like a proper name. And Sean, I don't know. Okay, it's a nickname. My name is Maciej, by the way, and I'm here in Poland. Uh, so yeah, so this is actually for small companies, and I can imagine actually someone paying. How much do I want for it? I think that there's like 29 euros per month for up to 5 users, and actually in January there will be free version, and but I hope after a while I will just get rid of it, and people will be paying for it. So like basically like as I called this live stream, I just want to actually move from working for corporation for building like some useless apps that I believe that people don't really use that much, and try to actually sell something on my own. And I kind of I watched, there's quite a lot of actually people now building small apps. You know, I'm not trying to get into like to compete with Microsoft or something, but there is actually enough space within the market to actually, to feed your family and maybe a couple of guys around, while building small application and trying to sell it, and just try to make it good enough, and like and try to sell it to people directly. And I think like what I'm good at is actually, I think I'm kind of good with I think I created this application which is pretty good. I'm a senior student at college, so that experience is not that thing that have to offer. Yeah, good. Okay, yeah, I can give you stuff. Yeah, no problem. I will actually, I will, I will send if you give me your. Can you give me email or stuff? Can I send to you? Oh, pin message. Okay, no report. Add a moderator. You can be a moderator even. Uh, yeah, I will actually. All right, go to this page. Go to this page and start breaking things. If you like, there's really nothing I'm worried here about. If you break stuff, feel free to, just tell me. And you can just email me. I actually have, okay. There is this office at planner.eu, and this is actually how you can contact me. I mean, this is redirecting to my email. I can give you my email as well. This is it, maciejdrachusz@gmail.com. Yeah, feel free to send stuff. Yeah, let's stay in touch and let's try to make this thing work. I think I just broke it with AI, but the thing is like, okay, stop, undo. Yeah, this is silly. Okay, I'm just trying to do too many things, and like the thing is, it seems maybe some of those models are not that good, or if the file is too big, and this file is already like way too big, I will probably have to divide it into smaller chunks. Then it doesn't really know what to do. So I will actually just undo my changes, and this is actually like, okay, I'll reach you. Do it through email. Yeah, good. Thanks. With yeah, thanks. Yeah, and let's work on stuff. If I make money, I'll be happy to actually even pay you for your work. Uh, you know, like I'm working with two of those junior guys. I mean, I think they're fine. The thing is like, uh, I've been like 14 years on as a I've been working like 14 and 15 years actually as a software developer. And the funny thing is like, with AI, it's actually like it's a big equalizer. Like, because like right now you just like say, okay, just add a button here, undo this, like what I'm doing now. Okay, I'm just breaking shit. But like I just stopped. Like, there's quite a lot of bullshit we talked. There's quite a lot of bullshit we as a software developers with many years we just say to juniors for them to, you know so we can feel more comfortable. And like I think like what I learned actually, like, I'm digressing completely, but like what I learned actually over the last year or something is, oh, come on, AI, stop. Okay, let's just kill it. Uh, undo. Can I? Where do I stop it? Here. Yeah. Undo. Undo. Okay, you just broke my shit. Yeah. So as I'm saying, like, I'm working with two guys who say they're junior. I think like they're fine. And like as I'm saying, like AI is quite a big equalizer now, and it's just like, the thing is like the one thing I have as a guy that worked 15 years is I'm kind of more relaxed about things that don't work. Like if things don't work, like I'm that much more relaxed. And before I used to just like try to, I know I used to panic much more. Now it's like, okay, we can fix it. It's just technical. Oh, it's a code, it's a broken code. Oh, Merry Christmas, thanks. Where are you? So we've got two people now. Well, this is actually fun. Like I have a chat with you. I've actually like I've just launched this like two weeks ago. I started this channel. So to be honest, don't know if a name is Maciej. Yeah, it's Maciej from email or not. Oh yeah, yeah. My name is Maciej or Maciek, and in English or in England, I used to live in London for 10 years. People called me Magic because I couldn't, like, for some reason when I told them Maciej, they couldn't pronounce it. Yeah, no, it's an easy name, I think. Uh, Ahmed, where are you? Sorry. In Poland it's -8, so I have a cold. Uh, yeah. So I was trying to actually fix some things, like when there is nothing in the table, but yeah. Uh, I just don't know what to say even. Like I'm actually surprised, to be honest, that there are some people talking here. So it's great. I will actually make it daily, to be honest, because or 3 times a week at least. So like we are in East. I'm in sort of Central Europe, so I will make it 9:30 to 10:30. And if you have like, okay, it's like our special, yeah, hope. Yeah, yeah. When we get famous, we can joke about it. Basically, I will do like 3 times a week, where I will be just trying to code something or like undo some of the things that AI did. And maybe actually next time I should actually like delve more into application, like what it's actually doing and why it's good, I think, and why I think it's going to sell. Um, but the funny thing, like the good thing is now, like I think like I'm almost confident that there's enough of an application that I can justify actually selling to people. I think like I can actually it's going to be something that will slowly grow, but like it might actually over like 3 or 4 months start making a bit money, and then all of it I will actually invest into promotion, and maybe it will make more. And I think it can actually. Okay, I was studying and making some progress on my graduation project, and then YouTube recommended the video, and I thought that the idea was good. Yeah, good. Yeah, you should actually do your project as well that way. Why? I mean, I wish I actually started doing it ages ago, and even like with some of my, because I actually had a couple of projects which were actually kind of small, but I could be talking about them earlier. And but then I just like, because the projects, like, when you have a job and you want to have side project, it's either this project will make my salary, or will make me millions, or nothing. It's like, or at least this is how I felt in my head. But like now I'm thinking I can have a project that will make $20 a month. Why not? If I release this and it makes $100 a month, it's a passive income that I can just deal with. But I could actually put more money into it, and maybe it will grow to a couple of $1,000 per month, and maybe it will actually stabilize because it's a small app for limited amount of people, and maybe that will be good. But this actually gives me a lot of time. Like, I don't really have to worry about money. The mortgage is paid and stuff. I don't have to go to corporation anymore, so I can actually build another product. Maybe my next product will be even better idea. maybe this is actually, I think this is a good idea, because this is something that my friend, the guy that I'm working with, Rafał, he actually needs that, because he was trying to find an application for that, and like he couldn't. So he was trying to use Asana, and it was shit for it. He was trying to use those big, you know, uh, Microsoft or whatever, or I don't know, just the big paid ones. But like, there's just too much stuff, you know. And like, if you're a small supplier, you don't want to play with all of that. So this might actually be good enough, and maybe it will be application that it's not gonna make millions, but it might make, if it makes thousands, I'm a happy guy, you know. It gives me a lot to work with, and like, and I actually like this. Like, there's a bunch of guys on YouTube now talking about like what they're doing. They're not really trying to build the next big, you know, Microsoft or something, because maybe that's not even possible, or like it's not gonna happen if you just try to build Microsoft straight away. But what they're doing, they're just trying to plug some small gaps. So there's like a, they can see that there is a need for small application here. So they just build it over a month or two, release it, and start selling it, and then like, you know, then we'll see. And then you can build another one. And alongside this project, I have other one that I built. Like, I have a video here about how how I built. I mean, I'm reviving my old Node project. It's somewhere here. How I ruined my tech stack. Some of them are so. Uh, yeah. Where is it? Where I'm reviving my old project. This is actually cool as well. So maybe I will actually do this one as well. There's a World War II thing, but like, basically, like, I stopped sort of thinking that, I just have to replace my job straight away. Maybe I just have to make a bit of money, and then make something fun. Like, here I was making something with AI, some World War II guys, reviving some of the World War II guys in AI. Oh yeah, this one. So yeah, this one I was actually, and it's actually my most popular video now. So here I'm actually reviving like all the React project with Node.js. That's something that like the code here is such a good. It's such a good code. When I was checking it the other day, I was just so happy to actually, I was actually surprised how well I wrote it at the time. It's actually better than what this current app is. Uh, yeah, I was studying on making some progress. Yeah, so good luck with your project. I think, like, if you have some problems, we can talk about as well. That would be cool. We could. And oh, 4 people. Wow, like, maybe I should actually stay here longer, or maybe next time, because it's actually Christmas where I am. So, I mean, it's probably Christmas where you are, but I want to take my family for a summer walk, and it's actually, like, you can see in the window. Like, I don't know if you can see, but like, it's quite sunny out there, and it might actually. I just got 4 people, and like, it's obviously first one, so I'm actually surprised to have this many. But yeah, okay. Is this like an hour? Okay, so like, what I was. Uh, yeah. Okay. So it was great to see you guys. Yeah, we got up to 4. Maybe I should stay longer and get up to 400 or something. But maybe next time. I actually enjoy. It's really hard to actually talk that way, like, explain things, and then there's like, I thought there was a painting, not a window. No, oh yeah, the painting. It's not a window, but like, it's a drawing. I mean, yeah, it's a drawing, obviously. But the thing is, like, if you look, there's a sun actually. So there's my ring light there. You can see the circle, and then next to it there's like a lot of light, which is actually a reflection of from the other house across, which is reflecting the sun, which is okay. So yeah. It's sunny. Basically, I'm using hundreds of words to actually explain that it's sunny out there. Yeah, yeah. It took me a while to actually explain that concept, but yes. Uh, so like it's nice Christmas and stuff. So see you soon, man, and happy holidays. And yeah, thank you, Ahmed. Let me know if you want to play with break my application. Feel free to destroy it as much as you can. I hope. I mean, there's really nothing like yeah. There's really nothing you can break. I think I can maybe next time I can actually, or if you email me, I can show you what's the idea here, or maybe you can just like you just wing it. You just you just destroy it, and you don't have to, because like if I show you my way, you might actually that's not how testers should do. Like okay, me as a developer, I would show you my way, but there is someone coming into the application, some new customer, and he will do it other way. He will actually start pressing the buttons that I didn't think should be pressed, or so yeah, like if you yeah just play with it, let me know what you think, and yeah, have a nice, I hope it's sunny where you are, and have a nice day, guys. Thanks for coming, and yeah, it's great to see you. Yeah, there should be same distance. Thanks. Okay, see you. Bye. End stream.